In this demo, we will showcase Remote Access VPN Report. As an MSSP, MSP, or Distributed Enterprise Admin, I manage remote access VPNs. I need visibility into users' VPN connections and the time they spend on them. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using my SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Click on Firewalls menu. Click on Inventory sub-menu to view the list of NSM onboard firewalls. Let's pick one of the firewalls that has VPN reports. In this demo, we will use TZ570 Firewall. Click on the firewall name TZ570 to manage it from NSM. Firewall view of the TZ570 Firewall loads on the NSM. Let's navigate to Monitor tab on the top. Click on the VPN Activity Report menu. Click on the Dashboard submenu under VPN Access Report. Here is the VPN report associated with this firewall. We can see summary details, top VPN users by session count, sessions by duration, and connection type. Let's drill down VPN user data by clicking on the View All option. We have been taken to the Users submenu under VPN Activity Report automatically to witness the refined data based on VPN users. Let's drill down the session count for one of the VPN users to see the session logs. We have been automatically taken to the VPN Logs submenu to see the VPN user logs. Remote Access VPN Report provides visibility into remote access connection by summarizing information in the dashboard, providing a VPN user list and VPN session logs.